my name is Rafael Adjo, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to use Metab. Metab is an R package we developed in 2011 to process GCMS data analyzed by the Automated Mass Spectral Deconvolution and Identification System, commonly known as AMDIS. So more about Metab and AMDIS you can find here in this publication in the Bioinformatics Journal. And let's show you how it works. So the first thing to do, I think, is to install the package itself, because the package has plenty of help files and tutorials, so you can actually use the information you have in the package to know better how to use Metab. So I'll give you some examples. So the first thing to do is to open the R session. Let me open it here. And so first of all, I'm going to clean my workspace like this. So now it's clean. This warning message is coming from a conflict from two of the packages that I have installed here, XCMS and another package required by XCMS actually, but it won't affect any result generated by Metab, so it's not a problem. You can see that actually is not related to Metab itself, but with those packages already installed in R. So to install the package comes with this type of file here. It's a typical file from R, typical source file, which has the extension tar.gz. So this type of file works in any kind of operational system. So you can use the same file to install in Windows, in Mac, or in Linux. It works in the same way. So let's see how to install. You go to R. In the R console, you put here the command install packages. This command requires to tell where the package is. So our package here is in this folder. So to know the path to this folder, I'm going to select it here. So in Windows, in any operational system, you're going to do the same thing. You get the direction, the path to the folder where the file is. So put here, in my case, I have to do in 2 steps. So I have the path to the folder, and now I get the name of the file itself. So copy and paste here, beautiful. And now here I have to put the type of package. In this case, it's a source package. Okay, cool, enter, it's installing Metab. Easy like this. So it's testing, Metab is installed, it's done. So now I'm going to load Metab to see if it's actually working. So I come here, library, Metab. Remember to put M as a capital letter and enter. So it's loading Metab and also all the packages required by Metab. As you can see here, it's loading XCMS, MZR, and all the other packages. Done. So the package is installed, and if I want to see the help files related to this package, as I said before, there are plenty of help files. So you have two main sources, okay? So the first one, which is the best one in my point of view, you can come to open, you can enter in the R console open, vignette, and then you enter the name of the package, here Metab. In this case you have to use quotation marks here, and the name of the package in between them, and enter. So it gives me it's asking me now which part of the vignette I want to look, which section, and I want to see the section 1. They're the only one that exists, so it's easy. So it opens a PDF file, and in this PDF file I have an extensive description of Metab, how it works, how the data sets it uses, how the library it uses, examples, and more information about each function. So I advise, my suggestion is that you have a look at the PDF just to know more or less, have a better idea how the package works. So the other source of information is the same one that you can use for any other package in R. you can, if you don't know anything about the package, you can enter in R double question mark and the name of the package. So it opens, it shows me all the functions that has anything related to Metab. In this case, that's the search, the word that I put to search. And here, for instance, this function, buildLib, it shows me everything about the function, how it works, what should I put in any argument that this function uses, and also gives me a link to all the other functions related to Metab. And give me here an example, which in this case here is just an example of the library, the AMDIS library itself, the library used by Metab. Okay, but here you have a good source of information as well if you don't know how to use any of the packages in R and also Metab.